Hello, and today I will be using Blender to show you how to prepare an STL for CAM software and CNCing, specifically a wood router. Okay, so first you open up Blender. These are just a 2x4, 2x6, 2x10 in Blender units, which will be converted to inches. So go to Import STL, and then I was going to do Mario today, a 2.5D Mario. I obviously have many STLs here to choose from. So it's kind of low poly, so we will edit W, subdivide smooth. It's a little bit better. Obviously we will rotate along the X to a 90 degree and then scale him down, and I think we'll choose what piece of wood we want here. Maybe 2x6 will be best, I think, based on this specific model. So we're choosing the 2x6. Now we're going to want to cut off the bottom to for the CAM software. So you're going to left click and then Shift A and create a cube, and then scale up the cube and slide it about halfway through him. Now we can select both and hit the backslash key to ignore everything, all the other geometry. Then scale along the X and Y and just kind of get like that, maybe about right here. So then you want to subdivide and triangulate your cube. That helps with the Boolean process. Now the Boolean process, you come up here to the wrench, add modifier Boolean. This is a very useful tool that's used very often. So you want to do difference, which cuts away geometry, and the cube we just created. So it'll do some calculations. Unfortunately, there's some mesh errors, probably with Mario. Fortunately, this happens from time to time. Anyway, it would cut away the bottom of Mario if Blender wasn't being a pain right now. And you would get half of a Mario, just the upper half. And then you would export the STL once you feel that it intersects well with the 2x6. So if we just isolate these two models, you can get a wireframe coming from the side, and assuming the block cut out right here, cut it in half, you would bring that down. One moment, I have to close this. Okay, you would bring down the Mario so the line of the bottom of the 2x6 matches the bottom of the Mario geometry, and then slide it over so it fits. And since his hand and cap sticks up too far, you can also scale on the Z, just kind of squish it a little bit until that fits in the 2x4. Now just pretend that the Boolean worked and the cutaway function, and this would be your scaled 2.5D Mario model. You just hit File, Export, STL. And you're ready for the next step, which is the CAM software.